Hey guys, so we have a speedless comparison here between the best iPhone with the XS Max up against the best Samsung with the Galaxy Note 9. And let's see how they stack up. So both these phones are brand new and they're both unlocked. And this is going to be a full comparison including cameras, speakers, specs, speed, and a lot more. Now, in terms of boot up, extremely close. It looks like a narrow edge for the Samsung. Okay, so let's real quickly go over the specs. And I'm going to write the iPhone on the left side and the Samsung on the right. Now, in terms of screen size, the iPhone is a tiny bit larger. So 6.5 or 6.4. Although the Galaxy has a higher resolution, 458 ppi versus 516. Now, in terms of selfie cameras, with the iPhone, it's 7MP. And for the Samsung, it's 8MP. And both phones have dual camera setups on the back. Both are 12. And the second camera on both is a telephoto used for zoom. Now, in terms of storage for the iPhone, either 64, 256, or 512. While for the Galaxy, less storage options for either 128 or 512. But for the Galaxy, dual micro SD card support. In terms of battery, the Samsung is larger, 3174 versus 4000. We have the A12 chipset and 4GB of RAM for the iPhone versus Snapdragon 845 and 8GB of RAM for the Samsung. Both phones are waterproof, IP68. The Galaxy does have a headphone jack, while the iPhone is not. Both phones do have stereo speakers. Both have glass backs. Also, the Galaxy does have a fingerprint, while the iPhone is not. And finally, both phones are extremely expensive, starting off at about $1,000 each. Alright guys, now for the rest of the test. Alright guys, getting to it. NBC. Samsung. Spotify. Try it again. Spotify. Samsung. YouTube. Again, advantage for the Samsung. eBay. Once again, guys, the Samsung here. iFunny. But obviously, still a lot of tests to go. But hey guys, incredible start here for the Samsung. By the way, I'm not pressing that hard on the iPhone, but just with the camera bump, it causes it to hit the table a bit. Alright, and now for gaming. So I expect gaming to be a lot closer. Both of them are on the maximum brightness. And yeah, looks like this is going to be a narrow edge for the iPhone. By about a millisecond. Subway. Now keep in mind we have the brand new A12 chipset. And so far it's been very, very impressive. Alright guys, just playing for a minute. And next up we got Mario. Advantage here for the Samsung. Fortnite. Now this is still technically beta actually, hold up. This is still beta for the Samsung. Alright, but it looks like it's going to be a pretty easy winner for the iPhone. Yeah, very easy winner for the iPhone. So far with the gaming, the iPhone's doing a bit better. But we'll see how Asphalt 8 goes. And there we go for the Samsung. Asphalt. And then a lot more after this, guys. You got the multitasking, all the camera tests. Advantage there for the Samsung. So gaming is 3-2 in favor of the iPhone. Now for AnTuTu, guys, I can't download the latest version here for the Galaxy, but we do have advantage here for the iPhone. And we're gonna run Geekbench later on. Now, next up we have Chrome vs Safari. And it's an encrypted web history. Just to show you guys, it is on the maximum brightness. But the iPhone is just brighter. At least that's white or whites with it. Alright, so first up we got IGN. IGN.com. Advantage for the Samsung. IMDb. Samsung. So two more, we got Apple and then Samsung. Wow, looks like again advantage there for the Galaxy. Samsung. Once again, advantage for the Samsung. Hi, no copyright music. And that's right, guys. Now for speakers. So we'll keep this part pretty brief. First up, we have the iPhone. Oh, and both phones have two speakers. Samsung. iPhone. And my camera. Last time on the Samsung. So the iPhone is clearly louder, although I think I prefer the quality a bit more for the Samsung. But hey guys, let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. Because really, I could see people preferring either one of them. And now we have Face Unlock. Now remember, for the Samsung, you do the fingerprint. And it's extremely fast, very accurate. But both also do a Face Unlock. Okay, so both extremely quick. I think the iPhone is more accurate, but that could be because I wear glasses. But overall, guys, I do prefer using the fingerprint. Okay, guys, so next up we got multitasking. Now, the iPhones always do a really good job with the multitasking despite having less RAM. But this time you have more RAM with the XS Max than any other iPhone. But still, guys, it's 4 versus 8 gigabytes of RAM with them. So, first up we got NBC. And looks like there was some refreshing going on, but that is a news app. So it is understandable. Spotify. Actually looked a tiny bit faster there for the iPhone. YouTube. eBay. iFunny. Very fast on both, and that's right there, that's usually an app that the iPhone 10 would refresh. So definitely seeing a difference here for the 10s Plus, 10s Max. Yeah, guys, excellent job for both so far. Excellent. Temple Run, great job. A bit faster for the Samsung. Because with the iPhone, it did show a picture at first. Oops, wrong one. But I have a feeling that a lot of these games are going to retain. So again, guys, the picture there first on the iPhone, but still pretty good. Alright, loading up Mario. Excellent. And now for the big one, we got Fortnite. Okay, so both of them are retaining it. Asphalt. Excellent. So honestly, guys, I think that both these are doing a really good job with it. Not much of a difference. And we'll just go into... Yeah, so AnTuTu does refresh for the iPhone, but let's go and run the Geekbench. And we have a pretty easy win here for the benchmark for the iPhone. Alright guys, and a couple more. Chrome versus Safari. So overall, I think for multitasking, a very, very narrow edge here for the Samsung. But honestly guys, it's really not much of a difference. And now for camera speed. Okay, so the iPhone's a bit faster with it. And now we have a test of the selfie cameras. Let's go, Braves. And a look at the stabilization. And now we have a test of the selfie cameras. Let's go, Braves. And a look at the stabilization. And now we have a test of the rear cameras. And a look at the stabilization. And there's a look at the maximum zoom. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section below which you think won. Now in terms of speed, I would have to say advantage here for the Samsung. But the other tests were all pretty close. So as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments below what video you want to see next.